Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy here, Drew, or Hooligan Owl, and I know this upload is a day later than the last upload, but I'm recording this on the same day, just a few hours later now. I don't know why I'm flapping scissors around. I'm freaking weird. So I just went to Best Buy and Staples and got some goodies for the setup. So let's start with these. Picked up some FPS Freak Phantoms for my PS4 that I'm getting tomorrow morning at about 7 or 8 o'clock. Then I also went ahead and grabbed PlayStation Plus because you need that now to play PlayStation, sad face. And of course, I grabbed the fucking alpha of all games right now. I caught that Black Ops 3. And I could finally fucking get Nuketown. I didn't have Nuketown. I was playing on 360 for a while because I didn't have PS4 or anything yet. But I have that. If you guys want to add me on PS4, I'll put my PSN ID down in the description once I set up my account. But the main purpose of this video is to show the thing I'm most excited for. I'm excited for the PS4 and all that, but just look at this. This is what your boy streams in and records in. This dinky piece of shit. Now, I went ahead and picked up this. It's on sale for 60 bucks. Went ahead and grabbed this shit. So baby girl, come over here. And let's just get into this. Alright, let's get into this right away. It says right on the top, it says somewhere right here, don't cut this open, but I'm just gonna disregard everything that's open. Oh, there's cardboard in there, I'm alright. This is like super mega tape, so this was like open before and then like resold. I'm gonna be fucking pissed if something's not right in here. Shout out to Staples for that sweet ass deal for this chair. 60 bucks, can't go wrong. Your boy finally can game and sit comfortably. Be on the lookout for a second upload tomorrow. We're going to be reviewing the Gamma, or not the Gamma, the Fruit Punch Gamma. There, focus the camera. Come on now. You're like staring off in space. So we opened this box and we got this stupid ass thing. I don't know what the fuck that is. So we're gonna throw it over there. Next thing up in the bag, we got an armrest and the other armrest. So we got an armrest right here. Keep those wrapped up in plastic. We got more stupid shit. Oh, I just threw it into my setup. LOL. Don't worry, it's alright. It's all Gucci. We'll pull this little thing out. Okay, it didn't come out of the box. LOL, my life. We'll pull this out, I guess, first. Looks like we got our...
That's the back, babe.
No, I was like, is this fucking black?
Oh.
It's not. We got our seat cover. That's the seat, babe. That's not the back.
Oh.
And now, we got the back. Dope shit. We got more pointless fucking cardboard. And it looks like we got like a bow and arrow type of thing. Not really. This is basically
More like a starfish.
Or starfish. Starfish are cool too. Looks like we got some wheels and some easy instructions. Some of those things that come up screws. I have no idea what's in this box. I also don't care. And this is the doohickey that lets me go up and down all around through the town. And this is just a box. Very destructive. So, I don't know if you want to hold it or you want me to time lapse it. What do you want? Do you want to hold it the whole time? Not really. Want to build the whole thing? No. Okay. We're gonna set it in time lapse here, boys. Hope you guys enjoy this build. I guess. Yeah, enjoy this build. Woo.